Hello, hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie. I'm a certified health and transformational coach, and I'm here today to talk to you about the C word, consistency. So, if you're here today, chances are you've struggled with staying consistent in your health journey at some point, and trust me, you're not alone. Whether it's working out, eating healthier, or prioritizing self care, consistency can be one of those hardest things to maintain when life gets busy. But here's the truth: consistency doesn't have to be about being perfect every single day. It's about making health a daily priority. And I'm here to show you how to do just that. So, in today's video, we're going to break down why people struggle with consistency and, most importantly, how to overcome those obstacles to make health a non negotiable part of your day. So, grab a pen and paper because I'm about to give you some practical tips that you can start using today to make health a lasting part in your life. First, let's talk about why consistency is so challenging in the first place. The truth is, when it comes to health, consistency does not mean just showing up in the gym every day or eating salad for lunch every single day. It's much deeper than that, and that's why people struggle to stay consistent. Here are the main reasons why consistency is so hard to maintain. One of them is the lack of time. We live in a world where everything's fast paced and much of us have packed schedules. Our phones are on us all the time, so people have access to us everywhere, all the time for everything. Work, family, social commitments, and other priorities can leave little room for health related activities. Another reason is your motivation fluctuates. And let's be real, there are days when we feel super motivated, and then there's days when we feel like doing nothing. So motivation is powerful, but it's not reliable. Consistency does not rely on motivation alone. And then there's the all or nothing mentality. Many people fall into the trap thinking if they can't do their health perfectly, then they might as well not do it at all. And that's not a productive way to think. This all or nothing mindset is a killer of progress because it makes you feel like giving up after you have a setback or there's some reason why you can't get on track. And then there are external stressors and distractions. Life happens. Life is going to happen. Sometimes work stress, personal challenges, relationship challenges, or unexpected events will throw us off course. And when that happens, prioritizing health can feel like the last thing that we have energy for. But now that you know why consistency can be tough, and there's many more examples, those are just a few, let's dive into how actually to make health a daily habit. Here are 5 practical strategies to help you stay consistent with your health goals and make them a part of your daily routine. Ready? Tip number 1, out of 5, start small and build gradually. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to go all in too quickly, especially this time of year, right? Maybe you decide you're going to work out every day. You're going to meal prep for the entire week, and you're going to cut out sugar completely, all in one. Just go. And that is a recipe for burnout. Instead, start small. The rest of your life is a long time, right? So start small. Pick one thing to focus on for the week. Maybe it's drinking more water every day or walking for 10 minutes in the morning or at some time of day that's convenient for you. As you start to succeed, the small changes, they become easier and you can gradually build up to more challenging goals. We call it habit stacking. Number 2 out of 5, create a routine and stick to it. Consistency thrives on routine. If you want to make your health a priority, you need to schedule it into your day like any other important task. Set your alarm if you have to. Treat it like an appointment that you can't miss. For example, if you know you're going to be really busy in the mornings, set aside time in the evening to make meal prep or get your workout done. The more you structure health into your routine, the more natural it's going to become. And over time, you won't even have to think about it. You'll just do it. Number 3 out of 5, set realistic and measurable goals. When you don't have a clear target, it's easy to lose sight of your progress. And that's why it's so important to set realistic, measurable goals that are specific. Have you ever heard of the acronym SMART? This is what I'm talking about. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I will walk 30 minutes every day for the next 2 weeks. Make it as specific as possible. And tracking your progress is key to building momentum. What gets measured is going to get done. And the small wins along the way will keep you motivated and on track. Number 4 out of 5, focus on consistency and not perfection. Perfection is the enemy of progress. And let me say that again. Perfection is the enemy of progress. If you miss a workout or you eat something unhealthy, don't beat yourself up. You just made a different choice. And the goal isn't to be perfect, it's to keep showing up. Remember, one setback does not mean you failed. It just means you need to get back on track. Don't say cheating. Take certain words out of your vocabulary as well. You're not cheating on yourself. You're just making different choices. When you focus on consistency instead of perfection, you'll be able to recover faster and stay motivated for the long term. And number 5, find accountability. It's much easier to stay consistent when you have someone holding you accountable, whether it's a friend, a workout buddy, or an online health community. Accountability is key to staying on track. Make sure those people are on track as well, at least committed to being progressive over perfect. Having someone to share your goals with or check in on your progress keeps you motivated and committed. If you don't have someone in your life to hold you accountable, consider joining a fitness group or hiring a coach. Sometimes just knowing someone else is cheering you on can make all the difference. Now, let's talk about how to overcome the challenges that will inevitably show up. Staying consistent isn't always about ease. It's not going to always be easy, and setbacks are going to happen. But that doesn't mean that it's the end of the road or quit or that you've done something wrong. It's just life. So here's how to handle some common challenges. Time constraints. If you're really busy, it's tempting to skip your workout or your meal prep just because you don't have time. But even 10 minutes of movement is better than nothing. The key is to prioritize your health and find ways to fit it into your schedule, even if it means doing shorter, more focused workouts. Loss of motivation. On the days when your motivation is low, don't force yourself to feel motivated. Don't let motivation be the reason that you stay in action. Just take the action anyway. Set a timer for 10 minutes and commit to doing something for just that short time. And once you start, you'll find often it's easier to keep going. Distractions and life stress. So when life gets stressful, it's easy to put health goals on the back burner. But it's exactly during those stressful times that health is needed the most. So make self-care absolutely non-negotiable part of your stress management routine, whether it's going for a walk to clear your head or practicing mindfulness or prayer or whatever you do to stay grounded. Make it very intentional to do your self-care. So here's the thing. When health becomes something that you enjoy, consistency comes naturally. So find ways to make health fun. Making, maybe you love dancing, so try a fun fitness class. And if cooking's not your thing, then try simple recipes that take 20 minutes. Find activities that excite you and make them a part of your daily life. Health does not have to be a chore. It's all about finding what works for you and sticking to it. And when you enjoy the process, staying consistent does not feel like a struggle. So, to wrap it up, consistency is about small, sustainable steps that make health a priority in your life. Start small, create a routine, and don't worry about perfection. Focus on progress, not perfection, and surround yourself with support to keep you motivated. Be very intentional about it. Make it a priority. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tips on building lasting health habits. And I'd love to hear from you. And what's one step you're going to take today to make your health a priority? Drop it in the comments, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Let me know what else you'd like to see on this channel, and stick around and just spend this time with me so that we can all grow and get healthier and do all the wonderful things together. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. So take it one step at a time, and I'll see you in the next video. You got this. Bye-bye.